So much
Wow.
flavor.
Okay, this is amazing,
Wow.
guys. Wrap this around. This is the ultimate bite. Ready?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kate,
And I'm Hamid.
and thanks for joining us on another food review here in Bologna.
So guys, today we're going all the way to the Middle East. We are gonna try some Lebanese food. Believe it or not, we do have some delicious Lebanese food here in Bologna. So we always walk by this restaurant in the city center. It's called BEIRUT Snacks. And we've never been inside, but we were always curious because we always see there's people there having shawarmas and falafels and various Middle Eastern food. So today we wanted to give it a try. So we went there and we did some takeout food. So here we are. We're very excited to have a feast. So baby, what do we have here today?
So here we have some falafel, shawarma chicken, and some salad. I believe that's called fattoush salad.
Fattoush.
And some fries. We also have some hummus.
And there's also a creamy looking dip. I believe this is made out of eggplant. It's called
Mutabal.
Okay, so this is a special dip. It sort of looks like baba ganoush, which is also an eggplant dip. We also got the falafel plate, which comes with fried eggplant. And we also have some cheese, I believe. This looks like some grilled cheese. There's a special name for it. I think it's called halloumi.
Oh, halloumi.
Yeah, if you remember the menu, it's a halloumi, which is a very special, very hard or brine type of cheese. And they grill it, so it's really nice and grilled. And we have some vegetables here, turnips, and some pickle. And also we have some beautiful looking dolmas, which is stuffed rice or vegetable inside wrapped in grape leaves, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I've never had this.
I had it, if I remember, once or twice before, but I can't remember the taste, so I'm sure this is gonna taste good. So, and then the shawarma looks beautiful too. The shawarma is marinated beautifully and was cooking in the spit. And also, what else we have?
So we have here tabbouleh. This is made with finely chopped parsley, onion, mint, and I believe bulgur.
This looks.
And also we have some garlic paste and tahini. So excited.
Okay, and we have also a salad here. This is called fattoush.
Yeah,
right?
fattoush.
And I think they sprinkle fried bread, sort of like crouton style.
Oh,
Very crispy. Very nice.
crispy, yeah.
And they also gave us some pita bread. Okay, so what do you want to start with?
So I want to start with falafel.
Falafel? Let's try that
I
falafel.
want to start with falafel.
Falafels are big and warm.
Nice.
Very nice. They look beautiful, the falafels, guys.
Right.
Crispy, nicely fried. And the falafels are ground chickpeas, exactly.
Yeah.
Actually, they also make it with fava beans in some countries in the Middle East too.
I like that they have sesame seed too, because
Yeah.
some falafel they don't have sesame seed.
Oh, let me try this. Wow. It's really good. Perfectly seasoned. You can taste. This is how it looks inside.
There's a hint of a lemon, huh?
Yeah.
Right?
Very nice. So soft. It's
grainy.
You can feel the texture of the chickpeas, yeah. And they seasoned with, I can tell they seasoned with garlic. They put some herbs as well. It looks nice and tastes even better. Wow.
Maybe we should dip it in.
I want to dip it in the sauce here. So guys, we just dipped it in tahini. Let's see how this one tastes. They're so good.
Yeah.
This tahini is amazing. A little tangy flavor.
Yeah. Creamy.
Okay, I'm gonna try So good, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna try and fried eggplant.
Wow.
These are nice. I actually asked the
Wow.
guy to give me some extra. I really like it. Look at it, how beautifully crispy these are. Let me
I
try
want
with
to
the
try
garlic
this
sauce.
one too. Let me try the tahini.
Mmm. Love it. I can taste a little hint of chili powder, like a slight kick.
Yeah. I like
Wow.
that.
Char.
Char.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow, this tahini is really good. Mmm.
Okay, I can eat like so many of this. So beautiful, this one. Eggplant is one of my favorite vegetables. I'm gonna try with garlic sauce. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. This is one of the best garlic sauce I ever tried.
I agree. Really good this one.
Creamy, not overwhelming,
Yes,
right? With
not
garlic
over-
flavor.
yeah.
Just perfect. Okay,
Now I want to try it with the pita.
let's try the pita. Oh, let's try the hummus. I haven't
Yeah.
tried the hummus yet, but the hummus, yeah, you have to dip the pita in the hummus. Okay, so let's try some pita. And let's see. We're gonna try with the hummus right now. Oh yeah,
Oh.
so beautiful. They even put some olive oil on top of the hummus.
I love hummus.
Look at this, guys. So creamy. I love the texture of hummus too. Wow.
Mmm.
I can dip anything in the hummus. This is so good.
My favorite dip.
I'm gonna try some fried with hummus.
I can dip everything in hummus. It's really good. Let me try this with the eggplant.
Wow. How is it? Okay.
Mmm.
Enjoying it?
Mmm. It's so
Chase
good.
it with some turnips.
You should try this with the eggplant. It's so,
So
good.
good.
Mmm. I want to try that again. Wow.
Let's try some tabbouleh. This is like a special salad specific to that region. It looks so healthy. That's how it tastes. This is how it looks. This mixture, like Kate said, chopped parsley, tomatoes, onions, a lot of seasoning, and some special looking grain, like quinoa type. Tangy.
Good, yeah.
Mhm. I can tell they mixed it with lemon juice,
Let me try.
some olive oil. Tastes so fresh.
Mmm. Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm gonna try shawarma meat, so this one taste. Okay.
I'll try
You
this.
wanna try the shawarma meat?
Sure.
Let's try the shawarma meat.
Should we try with the bread? With the pita?
Wow.
Hummus?
Shawarma with hummus.
Mmm. Mmm.
The chicken is really tender. Very juicy.
Very flavorful.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a
Oh,
piece
yeah.
of pita, put some chicken. Okay. I'm gonna put some
I'm gonna put some hummus in there.
Put some tabbouleh salad. Oh yeah. Put a pickle here. Maybe a turnip.
Oh.
Okay. And then I'm gonna put some. Okay, let me try the baba gan, not the baba ganoush, the other. What's the name of this?
Mutabal.
Mutabal, the eggplant mixture.
Ooh.
And let's see how this one tastes. I'm gonna wrap it. Let's see. Cheers. Wow,
Wow.
this is good.
Really good.
That's perfect, guys.
Oh, it's so good.
Drop some chicken. Perfect.
Mmm.
I'm gonna try the fried cheese. Let's see. Here, first you try.
Mmm.
How is it?
It's like mozzarella.
Mm-hmm.
But a little bit harder, no?
Yeah, it's good. It's made with mainly goat and sheep. With milk.
But it's really good because they also grilled it.
Oh yeah. Has a unique flavor to it too, right?
Mmm. Oh, I have to do it again. I have to try the other.
Okay guys, I'm gonna have another falafel. These falafels are so amazing. One of the best falafel I think I've ever tried. And I tried falafel from a lot of countries. My favorite falafel still is from Jordan. And I remember trying falafel from this small little place in Amman. And they made the best fresh falafel, small, like little balls.
So guys, this is like the falafel wrap.
Wow.
So good.
This dip is actually really good. I love anything with eggplant.
Just perfect the way they cook it.
So good. I'm gonna try this fattoush salad. Wow.
How's it?
They put some balsamic vinegar here, huh?
Yeah?
Yeah, tastes really good. Perfect.
Refreshing.
Let's have some more chicken. This chicken is so good. I love chicken shawarma. Just the meat.
Yeah. So you like the shawarma
It's
plate
so flavorful.
or shawarma sandwich?
I like both. But sometimes I just want to have the meat, you know, not
Right.
the wrap. Put some tahini too.
Oh yeah. Perfect. I always get the wrap than the plate because
Yeah.
I just like that you can taste everything in one bite.
Like everything in one bite, huh?
So much flavor.
And it tastes so healthy, guys. Everything's so fresh. So much veggies. You don't feel guilty eating. The texture of the meat, guys. It's so juicy. A little bit greasy for sure. But it tastes so good. It's marinated. You can tell the meat has been grilled, cooked properly. Wow.
Now I want to try the dolma.
The dolmas?
Yeah.
Try
Let
it.
me see.
Good?
This is the first time I tried a dolma. It's good.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna have one. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, this is how the dolmas looks like. You can tell the wrap is the leaves, the grape leaves. And they have soaked it in olive oil. Let me take a bite. Wow,
Right?
this is good. This is stuffed with rice, a little bit of meat too, some ground meat, and yeah, the flavor is amazing. It has a little tanginess, right?
Right.
And yeah, I don't know how to explain. This actually tastes pretty good. I can't remember the last time I tried that.
Oh, my
I'm
first
sure I
time.
tried it because I've seen it before, and I have a feeling I did try it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the shawarma meat. This is interesting. I don't know what this one is.
It looks like a stuffed
Eggplant, right? And it's grilled. Wow. Actually, we didn't ask for this, but it came with the plate.
Maybe you should try.
Wanna try it? Take a bite? This is how it looks like. This is like a stuffed eggplant, and then they grilled it. Let me try this.
So
Wow.
much flavor.
Okay, this is amazing, guys.
I'm surprised. A little bit salty.
This is stuffed with other vegetables.
And crunchy. I don't know what's the crunch. Right?
Some nuts. Wow.
And
It's a little
there's
spicy too.
Spicy,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh,
It's-
this is really good.
Yeah, it's amazing. Look at this.
A little sour taste.
Yeah. Wow.
Really good, this one.
This is one of my favorite.
Because the texture is soft, crunchy, a little bit spice, and there's
for
a
sure.
little bit lemon taste. Wow.
This is nice. I'm happy. It's a combination. It's like the flavor just exploded in my mouth. Right?
So which one you like? The falafel or the chicken shawarma?
I like both. But if I had to choose one only next time, I would pick falafel. I love the falafel.
Same. I will also pick the falafel.
And the hummus.
But between the salad,
I would take everything again.
between the salad, the fattoush salad or the tabbouleh.
Oh, I like the tabbouleh. Tabbouleh is nice. Very refreshing. And yeah, it just feels fresh, right?
Right.
When you're eating. This cheese, I think this is my first time trying. Have you ever tried this cheese before?
No. And it's really good.
Yeah.
I miss this kind of pita. Because here we always have the thicker versions
Yeah.
of piadina. But this one, I miss it because we always have this in Toronto.
Here, it's not as popular. Even in the supermarket, you don't see this type of bread, right?
Right.
Here. Yeah, the pita bread. I love pita bread. You can just basically dip this in anything. Okay, I have more of this eggplant. Oh, it has a little bit of pomegranate seeds on top.
I love their hummus. I love hummus.
And it's a healthy snack. Okay. Let's have one more. I love the inside of the falafel. Here. Dip it in hummus.
Good, right? Tahini.
Dip a little bit in garlic sauce. Okay, somebody finished the garlic sauce. Now there's some more.
I like that they have different types of dip here. They have hummus, and the eggplant dip, and the garlic tahini, and they taste very healthy. You won't feel guilty.
Even their fries feels healthy. One more eggplant. This one, I'm gonna dip it in the tahini. Oh yeah, this tahini is so nice. Amazing. With some eggplant. Eggplant dipped with eggplant sauce. Okay, I'm gonna have
So
the
good.
second bite.
I love their eggplant.
Perfectly grilled.
And have some.
Ooh, I need some cocoa. Okay, let's finish the last falafel. And these falafels are actually quite cheap. I think they're 50 cents per piece. So we got two different plates. This plate is the mixed falafel plate that comes with everything that you've seen, the dolmas, the stuffed eggplant, and all the pickles, the turnips, and the pita bread, the two dips, the hummus and mutabal dip, and also comes with the pita bread. I think this cost us 10 euro. And we also got the shawarma plate, which comes with lots of fries, lots of chicken shawarma meat, comes with the salad and the two dip again, and comes with pita bread as well. And then we also got the tabbouleh.
Tabouleh separate.
Separately, yeah, exactly, yeah. So this one was 5 euro, tabbouleh.
Right.
And we got some extra falafel as well. And yeah, I mean, everything
It's
was 28
Right.
euros. So it was actually quite reasonable for the amount of food we got. Here, try this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a bite too now. With tahini.
So good. Right? Perfect.
Amazing. Try some with hummus.
I like their hummus and tahini. Oh, and garlic too. I like
Cheers,
everything.
Last bite. So good, right?
Tahini is so good, yeah.
What is tahini made of?
Sesame seed.
Sesame seed, yeah. Okay guys, for the ultimate bite, I'm gonna take some pita bread, put some chicken, okay, put some tabbouleh salad,
Nice. With some
Okay.
garlic.
let's take some
Mutaba.
mutabal, yeah, put it there, and then,
Ooh, the ultimate.
yeah, put some tahini.
Yum.
There you go. Okay, now put fries. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna put this, wrap this around. Okay guys, this is the ultimate bite. Probably my last bite because I'm so full right now.
Yeah,
I am.
it's very filling.
Okay, ready?
Wow. Everything in one.
I was just exploded in my mouth. That hit the spot.
So thank you guys for watching, and let us know in the comment below what food you want us to try.
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. We will see you guys in our next video. Ciao guys.
Ciao.
Did you enjoy that?
I did.
Yeah.
Did you?
Loved it.
It's so good. I like that they have a lot of salads too. Like, well, they
We should
only
go
have
back
two
again.
different.
We should
Yeah.
go back again.
Yeah.
I think this place.
Maybe we should eat there.
Yeah, it's a hidden gem.
And they're very friendly, right?
Yeah.
Very friendly. I like that they have different type of dip.
Dip.
Dip,
Dip.
not deep.
Dip.
You do pronounce it.
Dip.
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 Yeah, there you go.